Make a claim for medical expenses in just a few clicks using myUHCGlobal app. From your home page, choose Reimbursements or select e-claiming. Give your claim a name for easy reference. Upload a digital invoice from your documents or photo library. Or take a photo of your bill. And add a name for it here. Select a country from the list enter the claim value and the currency that matches your receipt. If you have dependents on your plan, tell us who the claim is for. You can include a comment or add another invoice if you have more than one for your claim. When you are finished, click Continue. If your claim is for an accident or injury, please tell us what happened, confirm the details, and send. If not, then simply tick the declaration statement and send to finish. A message will confirm that your claim has been submitted. You can check on the progress of your claim at any time from your home screen. If you need further assistance, we are here to help anytime, any day.